Hi everyone, my name is Nancy. My personal network knows me as Nana. I'm the founder of Careervues, which is an HR and job search consultancy. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about how to optimize your LinkedIn profile. I'll be sharing 5 simple tips that would make your LinkedIn profile impressive. Especially when you are on a job search journey, you must update your LinkedIn as a first step. So let's get started. My first and foremost recommendation is the look and feel of your profile. The first thing that you must look at is your profile picture. Using a vacation or a holiday picture for LinkedIn profile is a complete no-no. Try to get a professionally clicked headshot for your LinkedIn profile picture. If you don't want to do that, you can stand in front of the wall. It should be a light color wall. You should dress up in formal attire. It has to be a headshot. Like 60% of the photograph should cover your head. Second, in the visual content comes the LinkedIn banner. People put their office pictures or there is a clumsy banner. Be creative with how your profile looks to the person visiting for the first time. Play with different banners. I am offering free LinkedIn banners on my website. In Careervues free resources library, there are 5 different types of LinkedIn banners. Feel free to get those banners for your LinkedIn and make it more appealing through professionally created banners. Now, second tip is the headline. Don't waste the space under your name by just putting open to work. I highly would recommend job seekers to put extra qualifications or certifications on their LinkedIn headline. For example, I am a blogger, I'm an HR professional. I would put all these words under my name on my LinkedIn. Now, third tip. Third tip is a well-crafted summary does wonders for you. You must have your LinkedIn summary very well written. Your LinkedIn summary should be quantifiable. You must mention all your achievements, how you could contribute to any organization that hires you. Your summary is a statement that you're making professionally. So make sure you include all the important points that should be there in your summary. Make sure to write your summary based on the value addition you do to any organization. Try to sell yourself through your summary. Write such things that anybody would like to get in touch with. Recruiters hunt for good profiles all the time. If your profile is impressive and well crafted, I'm very sure recruiters would like to take the communication ahead by dropping a message or considering you for a job role they may have. So it's worth it to write your summary well. This brings now to my fourth point, which is customizing your LinkedIn URL. Customizing your LinkedIn URL shows how much attention do you pay to the detail. Also, it's a good way to put your professional profile on your resume. These days, people are using video profiles, people are using LinkedIn URLs on their resume as well. So it's a very good idea to optimize your LinkedIn URL as per your name or preferences. If you have a website or if you have a page, you want to mention something about it, or your last name, for example, instead of numbers, feel free to do that. My last tip is keep your status updated. If you are looking for a job, LinkedIn gives us a lot of options. You can always choose from your open to work, not looking for a job opportunity. In the drop down, you could choose a suitable tagline to show the recruiters. Also, you could keep your job search confidential. When you press this button, there is an option of keeping it confidential or sharing it with the recruiters only. So make sure you select that. Please do subscribe to my channel and do visit my website for any of your career aspirations. I'll be leaving a link to update your LinkedIn profile. Do check the description to have the technicalities of updating your LinkedIn URL. Careervues free resources library is offering 5 types of LinkedIn banners. Feel free to download those banners for your LinkedIn profile.